It's Wednesday, 15th January, and the Indian stock market ended on a positive note today. With the Sensex and Nifty showing gains, key sectors experienced mixed performance. Let's break down the key movements that shaped today's market performance. The Nifty ended the day with a modest gain of 37 points, closing at 23,213, while the Sensex rose by 224 points, finishing at 76,724. Market breadth remained mixed, with 2,142 stocks advancing and 1,807 declining. The auto, media, and pharma sectors saw losses between 0.5% and 1%, while IT, realty, and power stocks outperformed, rising by 0.5% to 1%. NTPC, Trent, Power Grid Corp, Kotak Mahindra Bank, and Maruti Suzuki led the gains, lending some stability to the indices. However, M&M, Axis Bank, Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finance, and Shriram Finance emerged as the top losers, weighing against market sentiment. The rupee rebounded, closing at 86.36 to 5 against the dollar, up 0.3%, its best single-day rise in 7 months. This recovery from Tuesday's lifetime low of 86.6475 was supported by a softer dollar and foreign bank dollar sales. However, the currency remains 3% weaker since November, amid growth concerns and a stronger dollar. HDFC Life Insurance delivered a robust performance in Q3 FY25, reporting a 15% YoY increase in consolidated profit at 421.31 crore rupees, up from 367.54 crore rupees in the same period last year. The net premium income also grew by 10%, reaching 16,832 crore rupees, reflecting steady growth from 15,273 crore rupees a year earlier. L&T Technology Services reported mixed Q3 results, with consolidated net profit falling 4% YoY to 322 crore rupees. Despite the decline in profitability, revenue from operations grew by 9% to 2,653 crore rupees, reflecting steady demand in the IT services segment. The broader markets also improved today, with the Nifty Mid-Cap 100 edging up 0.41% and the Small Cap 100 advancing by 0.56%. This moderate outperformance reflects sustained investor interest in mid- and small-cap segments, signaling steady market participation. Gold prices saw a slight rise, now trading at $2,685, up 0.3%, supported by a weaker US dollar and easing treasury yields. The 10-year yield dropped to 4.771%, and the dollar index fell 0.1%. Markets await the US CPI data, with expectations of a 2.9% annual increase. Najara Technologies stock rose 4% on 15th January to 938 rupees, rebounding 6% from its day's low. The surge followed an announcement that its subsidiary, Fusebox Games, partnered with Banijay Rights to create an interactive Bigg Boss game, set to launch in 2025. Jai Balaji Industries shares could see increased attention tomorrow, 16th January, as investors rush to buy before the record date for the company's 1/5 stock split. The last day to qualify for the split is today, with the official record date set for 17th January. This corporate action is likely to spark interest among traders. Punjab and Sindh Bank's Q3 net profit more than doubled to 282 crore rupees, up from 114 crore rupees last year, driven by a decline in bad loans. Total income for the quarter increased to 3,269 crore rupees from 2,853 crore rupees, reflecting strong financial performance. And that wraps up for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest market insights.